As you all know, the power balance band was designed by scientists in a Norwegian laboratory to enhance the properties of mind, body, and soul. However, since I am already strong in those areas, my vehicle is going to be the next subject. Now, this is how it runs normally. As you can see, it needs help. So what we're going to try now is to put the power balance band on. Here we go. It's now on the shifter, and we will attempt a run with the power balance band. Let's see if it makes any difference. Here we go. Wow! That worked great. You should all try it. Get one. $39.95. One near you.